What the fuck is up, Forbes Nation? My time here is finally, it's finally almost here. Next week, in a couple days, I'm finally leaving this place. Do you know how that makes me feel right now? It's really starting to hit me right now. I woke up this morning and I said to myself, wow, what the fuck? So I was digging through my saved computer videos, and I stumbled upon this really old video that I did 3 years ago. It's probably like the very first video that I was gonna do, but I ended up not wanting to do it because I didn't really know what to do with it. And maybe I was gonna like try to go back to this place and try to recreate the scenes or whatnot. Well, not really recreate, but maybe just take better quality videos. But like what I said before, I don't know how to make better quality videos. So initially, I said, fuck it. I'm just gonna do what I'm gonna do. And so then I just put that on there. So let me take you back to when I was 21 years old. What is up, guys? Today we're here. What is this place called? The Kintai Bridge. As you can see, there's kids over here. Where are the kids from? So this is the bridge. This bridge was made in 1964.
It wasn't though. It did a lot sooner than that.
It was made in 1964 when the Japanese were fighting the Americans during the Great War.
What?
And then after that, they created this bridge as a symbol of the bond for the Japanese and the Americans.
The bond?
A bond. They bond them together. This small one symbolizes the friendship.
That man's an idiot. The bridge was made in, medieval times when people had dinosaurs and called them dragons. And the person that, was the owner of Iwakuni. His bitch has it up there in the fucking mountains, and he ate children.
So this is the history map of what had happened in Nagasaki, in Sakura, Iwakuni. Over here, what'd you say? Choking the geese?
Yeah, that's a family of geese.
Choking the chicken?
That's a geese. Geese.
And this is a man who created the bond, the bridge for the Americans and the Japanese.
That's where the guy that ate the children lived.
And
that's a family of children running away.
Gorgeous. Over here is where they have the love hotels. Those two couples already had it going on for them. See, they both had their happy endings in this love hotels. Look, they're about to go in themselves. Happy endings in the love hotels. This is what this is. Now these two are going for the love hotels to get a happy ending. Of course. But anyways, this love hotel was made in the 1930s because they didn't have enough loving. They thought that people were too scared to go out and adventure to go meet some women or other people. And then that's why the war happens, because they couldn't get anybody over here so they can fuck. So then they're like, hey Americans, let's build a bridge. Let's fuck. This might really be the last video I ever get to do here. I'll probably just post up that Cambodia video. If anything, you might not see me for a week or two. It depends really. I might just, as soon as I get to Hawaii, I'll probably just say, hey, what's up? I'm good. I was thinking about maybe recording my whole journey, but we'll see how that works out. I'm not really a big fan of recording at the airport since there's really not much to do at the airport. And plus I really hate flying, because usually I would have the shits. But these videos really have helped me grow in a way. I'm a bit more outgoing this time. I always just sat in my room, just did shit and just do nothing. Save money, yeah. Well, here's to heading the last video here in Iwakuni.